So now let's see how we can work around with tiled gallery blocks inside of WordPress.com. So in order to go ahead and do that, you need to go ahead and click on the plus button over here, wherever you see the button right here, just like this. If you were to go ahead and click on add block, then what you can do is you can go ahead and search for tiled right here, just like this. Then what you can do is click on tiled gallery, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and select out images from the image library, let's say for example. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply select these tiled images out right here. So just select out the images that you want to add in and then click on insert. Then you got the tiled gallery right here, just like this. So this is the tiled gallery. As you can see right here, you can change the position of the tiled gallery right here. You can change it into wide gallery right here, just like this. You can also change it around into full width right here, align it to the center, and so forth as well. So over here, you can also pick an image filter and apply the image filter to the entire tiled gallery, just like this as well. So once you go ahead and do that, this is what you have. If I were to go around onto edit gallery, you can also go ahead and add in other gallery pictures as you like right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around onto the top right hand side onto settings, then you can see that I can change the rounded corner, and then the entire picture actually has rounded corners, as you can see right here. And you can link to a particular media file or the attachment page as well as you want. So you can change around the settings as you want, and you can change around the padding and everything, like change around the margin right here, just like this as well, and change it around into circles or square tiles or tile columns, as you can see right here, just like this. And even go ahead and change around the background color, as you can see right here. You can even go ahead and then upload out your own image over here as well, and then that image will be added in around over here. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with tiled gallery block inside of WordPress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.